welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this super easy and cute scarecrow. Uh-oh, I scared my crow away. This costume is super easy, super fun. All you really have to do is play with your makeup, and I'm pretty sure you can find a plaid shirt and some distressed denim in your closet. This is a great last minute costume if you need it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and recreate it. If you do, please tag me on Instagram at gabdel2. And without further ado, please continue to watch. I'm going to take a fluffy Wet n Wild brush, and I'm going to take the color Culture from the Perception palette by ColourPop. This is going to be my transition color. I'm going to apply this above my crease. I'm applying this in windshield wiper motions, just bringing my brush back and forth from inner corner to outer corner. Okay, now I'm going to take this orange color. This is thick, and I'm going to grab a generous amount of this color with a smaller brush. So this one, I'm not going to apply it in windshield wiper motion. This one I'm going to be stamping on because I want a lot of pigmentation. So I'm just applying this into my crease. And you don't really have to worry about it looking really neat. We're going to go in later, blend it out with the previous brush, and we're also going to be cutting the crease, so it's going to clean everything up. So it looks really messy, but that's okay. We're going to go in with the previous brush. We're not applying any product on here, and then we're going to go over the top edge. And we're gonna cut the crease. This look is super easy. It looks really cute, it's different, and it's super easy. We're only using those 3 colors on our lid. And then we're gonna cut the crease, which is a little bit more of a challenging part, but if you take your time, it'll come out good. The reason why I'm cutting my crease is because I want the next color to show up as bright as it can, and also it's going to be a guide for my glitter placement. So I had a little bit of a goof right here, but I'm not even going to worry about it because I'm going to be applying glitter, so it's going to cover that up. So I'm going to go into this Retro Love Bad Habit palette, which is a dupe for the, what is it, the Subculture palette. And I'm going to go into this color right here. It's called Rebel. And I'm applying that with a flat brush, just tapping that over the concealer. Okay, and that's pretty much it for the lid. Now we're just going to apply our glitter cut crease. For that, I'm going to use my e.l.f. glitter primer and my NYX glitter in the color Bronze, and also a super tiny Wet n Wild angled eyeliner brush. Okay, so now I'm going to put on some eyeliner, and I'm only going to make a super thin line with no wing.
This night, you gotta find that nightmares do come true. We will find you.
Gonna add a little bit of mascara to prep for some falsies.
This night, you gotta find that people live in graves. We're living dead.
Okay, so now I'm gonna move on to my face makeup, and I'm just gonna do it as usual, and then we'll add the Scarecrow effects. So now we get to get into the Scarecrow stuff. I'm going to start by doing my nose. Okay, so I found these 3 pencils. They call them multi-sticks from Wet n Wild. I found these at Walmart, so I got a black one, an orange one, and a yellow one. And I'm gonna use this for my Scarecrow today. The Scarecrow's here in the background. And one of them has a circle nose, one of them has a triangle nose. The girls, actually the boys have a triangle nose and the girls have a circle nose. So they're all kind of different, but I think I'm going to do a triangle nose. So let's see, I'm going to go in. I've never used this stick before. Let me see what it feels like. Oh no. It's like not really that pigmented. Well, let's try it. Oh my gosh. It's not that pigmented. So I'm gonna outline this in black, and I'm not gonna use the pencil that I'm not gonna use this black one. I'm just gonna use eyeliner. Because I don't want it to be so thick. It looks like a caution sign or something. I don't like it. Okay, so I'm gonna try and set it with some eyeshadow. Okay, so I grabbed the this yellow gold color called Sparks from the Bad Habit Aphrodite palette. And then we have to make the little lines, like the stitches around our nose. That's my nose. So now for my lips, let me apply a little bit of concealer to the outer edges. Okay, so now I'm going to apply the orange one only in the center of my lips. So far, I like it. That is cute. Okay, and then we're going to draw our smile.
This night, you gotta find that nightmares do come true.
Okay, so now that I have the overall shape of it, I'm going to go in with my liquid eyeliner so that I can make it darker. Okay, now we're going to do our stitch marks. Okay, so now using the black Wet n Wild multi-stick, I'm going to do the inside right here, like a black line. But I'm just going to draw it like I would a lipstick, but on the inside of my mouth. So now we have to apply our blush. I'm going to take a small, dense little brush, pick out a really pigmented blush. This is the 10 blush palette by Coastal Scents. So I'm gonna take this color right here. It's really pigmented. And we're gonna do around cheeks. I don't think this is pigmented enough. It looks really cute. No, we might have to use eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm gonna take the orange eyeshadow that we applied in our crease, the color Thick from the Perception palette, and then we'll apply this as our blush. It's looking better. Okay, so now I'm going to take my black multi-stick and I'm going to apply it to my lower lash line. Not in my waterline, directly onto my lash line. So I'm going to set that with some black eyeshadow or else it's going to smear because this is like really creamy. Just stamping it over top. Instead of applying lower lash mascara, we're just gonna draw on lower lashes. I'm gonna use my eyeliner again and draw some eyelashes. And that's pretty much it for the makeup. I'm just gonna apply some highlight since I did not do that yet. Now all you gotta do is put your outfit together. So I decided to braid my hair. And I'm gonna put this in my hair. For your Scarecrow costume, all you need is a pair of overalls or just distressed denim. And these are from Fashion Nova, and this shirt is from Discovery. So I got this raffia from the Dollar Tree. So you get your raffia. They also have this at Walmart, like anywhere, any craft store, you can find this in like the floral section. So I'm gonna cut some pieces and stick them inside of my overall. Oh, and this one's colored. It's kind of like an orangey color, but you can get the natural looking one. They just didn't have any more. They had this one or a green one, so I just went with this one. Well, I'm gonna grab one long piece and then tie it around my neck. I thought it was just funny if you get a little crow. This one's from the Dollar Tree also. And then just like put it on your shoulder because we're not really scary, we're cute. So the Scarecrow actually likes us. Again, you can put on a straw hat, like a beach hat. That's what I was gonna do, but I just liked it better with the braids. I think it looks cute. So this is your completed Scarecrow look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I love you guys and stay tuned for my next Halloween tutorial. Bye!